Today I'm making the easiest one-pan peach cobbler. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor, and everything comes together in one pan. It's so easy that anyone can make it at home. Preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a one-pan cobbler, so everything comes together quickly. First, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. Next, sprinkle half a cup of sugar evenly over the melted butter. Pour in 1 cup of milk, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For flavor, we're adding spices, and this is where the magic happens. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cloves. These warm spices deepen the flavor of the peaches and make the cobbler taste cozy and aromatic, not flat or overly sweet. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add just a subtle warmth that really elevates the whole dish. And half a teaspoon of salt. Now add 1 can 29 ounces of sliced peaches. Gently fold just enough to distribute the peaches. You don't want to overmix. Keeping it light helps the cobbler bake up tender. Before baking, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon evenly over the top. This creates a lightly caramelized finish as it bakes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, it's sizzling hot and smells incredible. You can really smell the butter, warm spices, and sweet peaches all coming together. The top is golden, the edges are bubbling, and it looks absolutely irresistible. Let it rest for about 20 minutes before serving so everything sets perfectly. This peach cobbler is soft, buttery, warmly spiced, and so comforting. We make this cobbler all the time and it never disappoints. It's simple, comforting, and always so flavorful. This cobbler is best served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of cream. And if you've never made cobbler before, this is the perfect place to start. It's forgiving, foolproof, and delivers big flavor every single time. Thank you so much for watching. Happy baking, and I'll see you next time.